Hi guys, I'm Shiva Sanjay Parmar and today obviously I am going to recreate this Honeybell cake. Now I have eaten this cake many a times while going to college and everything. I love this cake a lot, but today I'm also going to make it with whole wheat flour and also going to top it up with a strawberry crush. Also I'm going to make it without oven. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Firstly, we'll start by sieving 1 cup whole wheat flour, or else you can take maida also. Now you need to also sieve 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now add in half cup of granulated sugar, that is whole sugar. Then add half cup of yogurt or dahi. Then add half cup of oil. You can also use butter for the replacement. Next add a pinch of salt. Then you need to add 2 tablespoons of honey because this is a honey cake. Once you've done adding all the ingredients, you need to start incorporating everything together. Make sure you do this with a whisk. And if you're not satisfied with the consistency, you need to add in 2 tablespoons of water. Make sure that you just add 2 tablespoons of water, and if you're still not satisfied with the consistency, then finally add in 4 tablespoons of milk, and then you will get the right consistency. This was in my case when I used whole wheat flour. Then this is how the batter should look. It should be semi thick. Now grease a cake tin with oil. If you're using butter, grease it with butter. Make sure that you grease the cake tin very nicely because we are not putting any layer of parchment paper up here. Now transfer the cake batter into the cake tin and make sure that you even it out because this cake does not have baking soda. It is not gonna rise as much as you think. Also tap the cake tin. Now bake the cake in a big vessel for about 65 minutes and make sure that you cover the vessel too. 5 minutes you need to do a toothpick test. If your toothpick comes out clean, then your cake is ready, and if it does not, you need to bake it for more 5 to 10 minutes. Now we'll be making the honey syrup. In a pan you need to add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of water. The ratio should be 1:1, and then you need to mix it on low flame. Make sure that you do this step on low flame only. Now swirl your pan and boil it on high flame. Once they are on high flame, bubbles like these may start to form, and then turn off the heat immediately. Now take the cake and poke holes on the cake with the toothpick itself. Now make sure that you do this step when the cake is hot. Now soak the cake with the help of the honey water syrup. This step is very important. This makes your cake even more yummy and gives it the honey taste which we all need. Now take the ready-made strawberry crush and spread it evenly while the cake is hot. If you do not want to use the strawberry crush, this step is totally optional. You can just eat the honey cake with the honey and water syrup. And if you want to add another syrup, then you're totally free to add. And now once the cake is cooled down, cut the cake into small pieces and then serve it. This is how your cake is gonna look when you cut it. Bon appetit! I hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and also I am going to recreate more of these cakes and cookies and everything. So yeah, until then stay tuned and I shall take a leave. Bye.